Your name, ma'am?
Kimberly Sue Douglas.
Thank you. I have before me two plea forms indicating that the defendant is going to plead guilty to two charges, one in each file, of retail fraud in the third degree. In the case ending in 1095, she is agreeing to pay restitution in the amount of $150. And in the other matter, there is no other agreement, but those are added count twos that she's pleading to. Count one in each case would be dismissed.
That is correct, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
May I have her sworn?
Raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear and affirm the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I swear to God.
State your name, please.
Kimberly Sue Douglas.
All right, ma'am, it is this court's understanding you're going to plead to two counts of retail fraud in the third degree.
Yes.
Okay, those are misdemeanors, punishable by up to 93 days in jail, $500 fine plus court costs. The fine in each case could be increased to 3 times the value of the property taken. If that's greater than $500, that would become the maximum fine. You understand that?
Yes.
And understanding that, ma'am, do you still wish to plead guilty
Yes.
to the charge of retail fraud third degree as contained in the case 123-1095? How do you plead?
Guilty.
To that same charge as contained in the other case ending in 1776, how do you plead?
Guilty.
Now, you understand that by pleading guilty, you will not have a trial of any kind.
Correct.
All right. You signed an advice of rights form, is that correct?
Yes.
Any question regarding any of those rights?
No.
Please look at paragraph 5 on that form. Those are your rights which are part of a trial. You understand that by pleading.
It's hard for her to see on the podium.
No, I got that. But we have one.
Yes, yes. Paragraph 5 is right.
Those are your rights, which are part of a trial. You understand that by pleading guilty, you'll be giving up those rights as well as all the rights of that form.
Yes.
You understand you're giving up your right to appeal of right. You're giving up your right to appeal of right.
Yes.
Are you on probation?
No.
Are you on parole?
No.
Has anybody promised you anything other than what's been stated here today to get you to plea?
No.
Anybody threaten you or force you?
No.
You're doing this voluntarily
Yes.
of your own free will
Yes.
because you believe that you are indeed guilty?
Yes.
All right, beginning in the case ending in 1095. On my paperwork. On the date of May 30th, 2023, at the location of 3090 Carpenter Road, Pittsfield Township, Washtenaw County, State of Michigan, what did you do at the CVS that makes you think that you're guilty?
I had to some Budweiser and some soup.
I'm sorry?
Some Budweisers and some soup.
All right, so you got Budweiser's and soup and you tried to walk out of the store without paying for them? The store was open to the public at the time?
Yes.
You didn't have anybody's permission to take that property, did you?
No.
All right, and the property that you took, that was property that was offered for sale by CVS?
Yes.
In the other matter, on the date of February 25th, 2023, at the location of 3825 Carpenter Road in Pittsfield Township, Washtenaw County, State of Michigan, what did you do at the Meijer that makes you think that you're guilty?
I also had went in and got some foods, some dinner, and then I had got some liquor.
All right, and you tried to leave the store without paying for them?
Yes, half of it. Yes,
All right, and the store was open to the public at the time?
it was.
You didn't have anybody's permission to take that property, did you?
No.
And that property you took from Myers, that was property that was offered for sale?
Yeah.
All right. Ma'am, if I accept your plea, if between the time of my acceptance of your pleas in these cases and the time of sentencing, if you commit misconduct as defined in the Michigan court rule, you would not be entitled to withdraw your plea and the court would not be bound by any sentence recommendation or evaluation. You understand that?
Yes.
Counsel, are you aware of any other promises, threats, or other inducements which have led to this plea?
None from the people.
No, Your Honor.
And have I complied with the court?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will accept the defendant's pleas of guilty to count 2 in each of these cases. Count 1 is dismissed in each case. Defendant is referred to probation for a pre-sentence investigation and report. Sentencing in these matters will be February 25th, 2026 at 12 noon.
Your Honor,
Yes,
you sentenced her to, last week to a year in jail, credit 96 days, I believe.
yes.
I was just,
Your Honor, people have no objection to immediate sentencing. I'm seeing she has an estimated release date of August 24th.
I understand that, but there's got to be a determination on restitution. So that contact has to be made.
understood, Your Honor. She also has provided the court with letters.
She has. All right.
And I'm going to try to make payment on those while I'm here. Because I have like a payee, so she's gonna try to make payments on my bills because Laura got rid of her, I owe her too. So I'm trying to pay those bills off before I leave her.
All right. So it's just a few days out. What we'll do is I'll sentence her on that date and then everything will be clear as to what she has to pay. Maybe Miss Polera can, in terms of the restitution, try to arrange with her payee so that that properly gets paid in.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right? Okay, thank you.
If I have to wiggle with me, I can try to pay this one first and then, I don't know, I'm just trying to see which ones to pay first.
All right, we'll figure it out. Thank you. Court calls case People versus Grant Lucia.
Your Honor, read the book to the people.
Did it wrong.
Or, sorry about that. Just put it back. Unbutton it. Yeah. Sorry about that. Sorry, Judge, I'm trying to.
Yeah, I can tell you're not accustomed to wearing a tie either. So,
No, well, I actually don't even like ties. So
yeah, no, I got you.
I've been trying that. Is it, can you see it? It's just.
Just to the side.
You don't mind? No, sir.
You want to straighten his tie too?
I just,
No, that's okay.
I just want to be presentable.
I appreciate the effort.
All right. Torch Show Future Assistant Public Defender on behalf of Mr. Cross. Mr. Cross, please state your name for the record.
Carlton Dion Cross.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Judge. I did speak to the prosecutor on this case. Sounds like a global is in the works here that might involve sobriety court. If we could have an adjournment for 3 or 4 weeks, we can see what we stand.
It's my first date, March 4th. I'll join the matter March 4th, 2026, 9 a.m. And you're looking to get him into a sobriety court.
That is the global offer.
Deal. Okay. All right. And we'll continue.
Thank you,
sir.
Have a good day.
We'll be in touch.
Court calls case People versus Comaria Davis.
Morning, Your Honor, read the book to the people.
What is that? Torch Show Future Assistant Public Defender on behalf of Ms. Davis, who is approaching the podium. Please state your name when you get to the podium.
Right up here.
Thank you, Judge. I have my client, and I have read the notes in the file. It looks like we are requesting a brief adjournment. There are some videos in this file that Ms. Davis wants to watch before she determines how she wants to proceed, and she will be watching those this morning after court.
February 18th, 2026, 9 a.m. Bond continued.
Thank you, Judge.
Yeah.
People request this should be-
Court calls case People versus Rick Artuso.
Morning, Your Honor, read the book to the people.
What do you mean he's not here? Artuso here? Him or counsel. And you haven't heard from Mr. Bridges? Bench warrant will issue for defendant's failure to appear, bond 5,000. Give a 10% privilege on that. That warrant will issue immediately. Court calls case of People versus Ricky Burdett.
Morning, Your Honor, read the book to the people.
You not have consequences.
Versus attorney. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Your
What's your
Honor.
name?
Ricky Burdette.
Do you know where your attorney is?
I do not. We'd agreed to meet at this time. I do not know where my attorney is. So I'm speaking for myself, I guess.
Well, no, you're not, because they filed a substitution of attorney, which I signed off on, saying that they were gonna represent you. So you're gonna be represented by counsel. Do you have a phone number for him at all, sir?
I do. It's,
All right.
I may have it here.
Oh,
My phone is in my vehicle.
Oh, okay, I got you. So, we're gonna give a call to his office, find out where he is. So you can have a seat. I'll pass the matter. Okay? I'll call it up in my next block.
Do you mean wait on him to come?
Yes.
What if he does not show like today?
Pardon?
What if he does not show today? Like for hours, you know?
I don't know. I mean,
It was agreed. That was his,
okay.
that's his
Sir,
responsibility
what
to
do you
come.
want me,
I showed
what
up.
do you want me to do? I can't,
I want you
Yes,
to let me
fine.
speak for myself then.
he has filed an appearance on your behalf. He is supposed to be here. Have a seat. We will contact him to find out why he's not here. Thank you.
You have the,
Thank you. No. The other lucky person is recall the case, People versus Tatiana Tedder. Is she here?
Good morning again, Your Honor. Raymond Cook for the people.
Carolyn Foster Tucker on behalf of Tatiana Tedder.
Your name?
Tatiana Tedder.
Okay. I had faith that you'd show up.
Yeah.
You're no, go bring the baby with you. For goodness sakes. No, they, of course, gonna cry. When Alan leaves me, I cry.
Sorry about that.
See? Why are you shaking your head?
Because he's just giving me a rough day today. So, yeah.
That sweet little child.
Yes.
I know it's not your fault. All right. I have before me a plea form. She's going to plead to the charge of retail fraud, second degree. Correct?
Correct.
There is also a sentence recommendation or a sentence agreement of the prosecutor's deferred.
That's correct, Your Honor.
That is correct.
All right. Just, what is she?
I'm sorry.
Take a deep breath. The baby's doing nothing.
Yeah, he's just heavy.
He's just heavy?
Yeah, he's heavy.
Okay. She can sit down if she wants.
No, it's okay. He's gonna cry. It's okay. Thank you, though. No, it's okay.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm
Then
positive.
quit complaining.
Okay.
No, I'm kidding. Can you raise your right hand, please?
Yeah.
To be sworn?
You solemnly swear to affirm the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes.
State your name, please.
Tatiana Tedder.
Ma'am, it is this court's understanding that you're going to be pleading guilty to the charge of retail fraud, second degree.
Yes.
That is a misdemeanor punishable by up to 1 year incarceration, a $2,000 fine plus court cost. Fine could be increased to 3 times the value of the property taken. If that's greater than $2,000, that would become the maximum fine. You understand that?
Yes.
All right. Still wish to plead guilty?
Yes.
And to that charge, how do you plead?
Guilty.
Now, you understand that by pleading guilty, you'll not have a trial of any kind.
Yes.
You signed an advice of rights form, is that correct?
Yes.
Any question regarding any of those rights?
No.
Please look at paragraph 5. You'll see a copy on the podium. Those are your rights which are part of a trial. You understand that by pleading guilty, you'll be giving up those rights as well as all the rights on that form.
Okay.
You understand that?
Yes.
You understand you're giving up your right to appeal of right?
Yes.
Are you on probation or parole?
No.
Has anybody promised you anything other than what's been stated here today on the record to get you to plead?
No.
Anybody threaten you or coerce you?
No.
You're doing this voluntarily?
Yeah.
Of your own free will?
Yes.
And because you believe that you are indeed guilty of this offense?
Yes.
June 11, 2025, at the location of 31458 Carpenter Road in Pittsfield Township, Washtenaw County, State of Michigan. What'd you do at TJ Maxx that makes you think that you're guilty?
I took some items. Just speak for me, right? Okay. I took some items. I was with another person, but I guess.
You were
everything.
part of
Yeah,
the plan to take some items and try to remove them from the store without paying for them?
correct,
All right, the store was open to the public at the time?
correct.
You didn't have anybody's permission to take that property, did you?
No,
And the property that you took was offered for sale by TJ Maxx?
correct.
And are we doing this on the price?
Yes, Your Honor.
Was the amount that you took from the store, the total amount, was that in excess of $200?
Your Honor, if I can voir dire her,
Go ahead.
you and your friend both took some items, correct?
Yeah,
And the amount that
came together, yeah,
total between the two of you was over 200, right?
correct.
All right. Ma'am, I have to advise you that if I accept your plea, if you're between the time of the plea and the time of sentencing, if you commit misconduct as defined under the Michigan court rules, that the court would no longer be bound by any sentence evaluation or recommendation, you would not be entitled to withdraw your plea. You understand that?
Yes, I
Is
do.
counsel aware of any other promises, threats, or other inducements which have led to this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Have I complied with the court rule?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will accept the defendant's plea of guilty to this charge. Defendant is referred to probation for a pre-sentence investigation and report. Sentencing in this matter will be March 11th, 2026, 9 a.m. Bond with its conditions will continue. Ma'am, on your way out on the left-hand side, you and the baby need to stop by probation to make an appointment.
Okay, thank you.
All right.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Be nice to that little, how old?
He's one.
He's one.
better be
He's just,
nice to me,
he's
so.
just one.
Yeah.
Not-
Thank you.
Thank
Not
you, Your
that
Honor.
heavy. Bye.